fiber cleansing tissue, alcohol bottle, fiber cleaver, light source, fiber optic stripper, fiber holder, drop cable stripper. Separate the tail from the body by rotating the tail cap. Strip the cable jacket using the drop cable stripper. Put the cable in the fiber holder. Carefully strip the fiber cladding. Clean the fiber with an alcohol-soaked tissue. Put the fiber holder on the cleaver. Cleave the fiber. Insert the fiber in the connector. Push the fiber fixing bracket upwards to lock the fiber. Rotate the tail inwards to connect it to the body. Pull up the protective cap. Rotate the cap. Push down the protective cap. Connect the connector to the light source. Ensure the cable is properly connected to the connector using the light source. To release the fiber, pull up the protective cap, rotate it and pull it back down, then push down the fiber bracket. Rotate the tail, release the fiber, put the connector together.